On the mammalian tongue, several types of papillae are present with different functions. Weak papillae are the most numerous and abundant. Pungiform papillae, circumvallate papillae, foliate papillae, piliform papillae. And the correct answer is option D, that is filiform papillae. Blastoderm consists of early embryonic cells with the capacity to differentiate into multiple tissue types. Therefore, it is classified as unipotent, nullipotent, multipotent, none. And the correct answer is option C, that is multipotent. The scientist recognized as the father of bacteriology for establishing causal relationships between bacteria and disease through specific postulates is Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, Edward Jenner, Joseph Lister. And the correct answer is option B, that is Robert Koch. The scientist regarded as the father of epidemiology for establishing the role of contaminated water in disease transmission is Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, John Snow, Edward Jenner. And the correct answer is option C, that is John Snow. During semen storage, maintenance of sperm metabolic quiescence and prolonged viability is best achieved at which pH level? 6.4, 7.4, 7.2, none of the above. And correct answer is option A, that is 6.4. Rosamide produces potent diuresis by inhibiting sodium and chloride reabsorption at a specific site in the nephron. This site is the proximal tubule, distal convoluted tubule, lobe of Henle, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is lobe of Henle. Which anticoagulant exerts its effect by markedly accelerating the activity of antithrombin 3, thereby inhibiting thrombin and factor XA? Warfarin, aspirin, dicumarole, heparin. And the correct answer is option D, that is heparin. In which species is maintenance of pregnancy not dependent on the corpus luteum throughout gestation due to adequate placental progesterone production? Cow, Eve, sow, mare. And the correct answer is option D, that is mare. During intestinal surgery, which intestinal layer provides the most reliable suture holding strength? Serosa, muscularis, mucosa, submucosa. And the correct answer is option D, that is submucosa. In poultry breed classification, birds belonging to the American class are generally characterized by which typical skin color? Yellow, white, black, blue. And the correct answer is option A, that is yellow. In Japanese quail, embryonic development is rapid and the incubation period under optimal conditions is approximately 18 days, 22 days, 25 days, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, that is 18 days. Among poultry breeds, which one is recognized globally as the highest egg producer and forms the foundation of commercial egg laying strains? Minorca, Leghorn, Sussex, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, that is Leghorn. In comparative digestive anatomy, which part of the gastrointestinal tract is commonly referred to as the blind gut because it is a closed-ended sac? Rumen, cecum, small intestine, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, that is cecum. If the dose rate of a drug is 5 mg per kg and the drug concentration is 5 mg per ml, how much volume should be administered to a 5 kg cat? 1 ml, 2.5 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml. And the correct answer is option C, that is 5 ml. Failure of normal ovulation leading to persistence of large follicular structures on the ovary is termed an ovulation defect and is classically seen in persistent corpus luteum, anestrus, ovarian hypoplasia, cystic ovary. And the correct answer is option D, that is cystic ovary. Inflammation represents a rapid, non-specific defense mechanism that acts as the first line of host protection. It is classified under which type of immunity? Acquired or adaptive immunity, passive immunity, innate immunity, humoral immunity. And the correct answer is option C, that is innate immunity. In veterinary anatomy, the hoof is a modified integumentary structure composed of three main parts. Besides the wall and sole, the third component is lamina, frog, coronary band, heel. And the correct answer is option B, that is frog. The branch of pharmacology that deals specifically with determination and study of drug dosage for therapeutic use is known as pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, toxicology, posology. And the correct answer is option D, that is posology. Tilatamine is a non-barbiturate injectable anesthetic commonly used in veterinary practice and is pharmacologically classified as which type of anesthesia? Inhalational anesthesia, dissociative anesthesia, local anesthesia, sedative, hypnotic anesthesia. And the correct answer is option D, that is dissociative anesthesia. Antidiuretic hormone or ADH, responsible for regulation of water reabsorption in renal tubules, is physiologically also known as vasopressin, oxytocin, aldosterone, angiotensin 2. And the correct answer is option A, that is vasopressin.